Ang akong anak ay nag-sunbathing ba? Nag-sunbathing siya. You have a very nice life, bibe. Hmm? 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 Ah! Hmm. Kitang gilas ba? Kitang gilas ba ang akong bibi ba? Akong amote, oh. May amote. Itubo na may sweet potato. It's looking good. There's my baby. Hey, nag-sunbathing siya, oh. Be. Nag-sunbathing ka, be. That's a good girl, yeah?